The single biggest thing that needs to happen is people need to talk more about what's working. In healthcare IT, there is all too many stories of stuff that doesn't work or costs that have overrun. But these conferences give people the opportunity to talk with each other, to understand, to connect at a very, frankly, at a very kind of deep level, and discuss how we can move the agenda along faster. So conferences like this, hugely, hugely valuable. I'd always recommend people taking time out of busy schedules and understanding how colleagues doing the same things as them are tackling the same problems. The way people get access to information is going to change. We've got very used to a paradigm of I'm going to go to a browser, I'm going to go to Google, I'm going to go to Bing, I'm going to go to whatever it was, Alta Vista in the old days, right? Yeah. And I'm going to search for things. That information now is really being directed to people much more. Personal agents like Cortana, like Siri, like the way the Amazon Echo works in the home as well. All of these kind of devices are going to mean that I think that traditional way of getting hold of information, of doing a web search, it's not going to go away. But I think we will look back on it and think, wow, that's how we used to do stuff. But now this information kind of seems to magically appear where I need it. I think in the health world, what's going to change is that, I don't want to predict too much, but I think there will be almost like a part of the internet that people will see as a more trusted part of the internet for healthcare transactions. It could be credentialed differently, the information that's on it comes from different sources, and that as a result, it will become much, much more valuable. I could see a point where my email address when I was getting healthcare information, or the way I identify myself, is different from the email address if I'm just doing a generic search. Yeah. And that the machines will become smart enough to understand that difference. And what that will mean will be that it won't just be such a broad spectrum of information that we're going across. It'll be a few very trusted sources.